Okay, Danny, I want to shoot you a real quick video. When I was doing the motor mount, I had to move this tank out of the way, and I was gonna empty it out, and well, I didn't have to. Look at that, nothing in there. See that? Not a drop, just a little bit of puddle at the bottom. That, if you look at it from the side, here's what you see from the side. So it's got just a tiny bit. It should be. See right there, it says fill line. Look at where it's at, way down there. You see it down there? Fill line. So I'm like, where the heck's this water or coolant going? And I'm not stopping the video, that way it's all one shot. You'll see me get under there. But when I got under here to do the lower motor mount, and you can see that got done. There's that there. Let's see this. It's been leaking for a while. It's your water pump. So those are signs of the water pump leaking. So you might want to take care of that, especially in this hot weather. This engine will cook real fast. And it's been leaking. You can see it all over the compressor. So let's see where the water pump's at. Yeah, you see the water pump right in there. You can see how corroded some of the screws are getting because they've been leaking for a little bit. This was a better shot. Maybe we could get a better shot right there. Okay, gotta get my phone back out. My hand's getting stuck. Okay, so just wanted to let you know that your water pump's leaking. We're almost done. I just wanted to document the water pump leaking. Okay? Alright.